connected.
What's up, YouTube? It's dafobra. It's been a minute. I'm still riding. I'm still enjoying the bike. But, yeah, I haven't made any content for a while. And to those of you that enjoy my content, I do apologize. Yeah, just been, I guess part of it's just been busy, and part of it I just don't feel like it. And I noticed I'm not alone. There are a lot of other creators, small and large, who are not uploading. And from a content creator point of view, I do understand that, because I have been feeling it myself. But from a subscriber point of view, I really miss it. I miss seeing a lot of content from my subscriptions, my fellow motorcycle content creators. And that's sad, because I mean, pretty soon it's going to be winter, at least for those of us that have winter, and we're going to be missing. I mean, I'm still going to be riding. I got the heated gear, so for the most part, not much. I mean, it's not going to be as nice, I'll say that. It's not going to be as fun, maybe, but I'll still be riding. Ooh. But you know, many of us depend on you guys in the warmer climates to enjoy riding, like when we can't. You know what I mean? So for that, I'm sorry, and I hope things get better. So I don't know. I mean, if you're a creator and you haven't been uploading, I'd love to know why or what's going on. And you please feel free to comment down below. But for me, like I said, just a lot of little things kind of turned me off a little bit, you know, but nothing specific, I guess. But I'm gonna have a couple of tech videos coming out. I hope to at least get on that. Like I said, life gets in the way, you know what I mean? You know, there's a channel I'm watching called MotoMadness. Maybe some of you out there watch it as well. It's got a lot of subscribers, because it's got like 2 million subscribers or something. But it's become like my vice, you know, the Jerry Springer of motovlogging, so to speak. People send in their altercations with like crazy people, or by phones, and it just seems like everything's about phones lately. I mean, having a camera on your helmet, you're not going to be able to change people's behavior by screaming at them, but that's a whole other topic, right? So I'm watching this, and it is a lot like Jerry Springer, and you're like, what am I watching? But it's entertaining to some degree. I mean, you know, I can't watch it all the time, but some of it's very funny, and I often wonder, like the Jerry Springer show, if it's completely staged. I mean, I know a few people who have sent in videos, or I know of the creator before they sent in their videos, but it makes me wonder, is this legit? You know, when they're getting mad and they turn around, this one's for MotoMadness or something, and I'm like, all right, was this like on their mind? Did they exaggerate? Did they embellish a little bit? Is this scripted? God only knows. You know, you talk about Springer, and we know that stuff ain't real, right? People are not that messed up. But then again, why do you watch Springer? To make you feel better about your life, right? So maybe you can watch MotoMadness and feel better about your riding experience. See that? I have a topic. So that's my topic that popped up, surrounding the topic of why I haven't created much content lately. But I will say, regardless of how I feel or where I'm going with this channel, this thing, I do miss you all very much. I miss the conversations, I miss the friendships, and who knows, maybe things will come back the way they were, and it'll be awesome. But until then, take care of yourself. I hope this video finds you doing well, and as usual, ride safe, everybody. I'll see you.